Hi guys, so today we are going to do a little bit of practice on how to identify the trend. So I am on TradingView, I will play the replay and we are going to analyze higher highs and higher lows and lower highs. But first of all, thank you for being here. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell and smash that like button. So I am Mark Prime, the Italian trader, and with you guys I am going to teach you how to make money online with trading. Now, one of the most important thing is to understand how to identify trends, how to identify higher highs and higher lows and lower highs in order to take the best opportunities and to trade with the trend. So basically what you want to do is to find this kind of structure in the market, okay? Okay, easy as that, all right? So let's jump on the whiteboard first. Okay, so when you have a new, this is the chart, okay? You have the price here and the time here. Okay, when you have a chart that does something like this, it's called lateral sideways, okay? When you have a chart that does something like this, it's called uptrend. Then you have this kind again, and then you have maybe, you know, this one, which is the downtrend. So this phase is called the accumulation phase. Then you have the uptrend here. Then you have the distribution phase. And then you have here the downtrend. Okay, so let's clear the whiteboard. And now, when you have an uptrend, okay, again, here, you have something like this, as we said before. So basically, these are called higher highs, and these are called higher lows. So higher highs and higher lows. And this is considered an uptrend because you have higher highs and higher lows. At the same time, if you have something like this, this is considered a downtrend. Why? Because you have lower highs and lower lows. Okay? This and this are lower highs and lower lows. When do we have a switch in, trend? Well, easy. When you have something like this, and you have lower highs and lower lows, and then suddenly, here, the price fails to do a lower low, and instead do a new higher high. And then it goes down and do a higher low, and again a higher high. So now, in this specific phase, you are in a downtrend, and here you are in an uptrend. Okay, so basically, at the end of the day, it always comes down to identify new higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. All right, so let's jump on the chart. Let's take this as an example. Let's zoom in a bit. Oops. All right, so let's play it. Now here, first of all, I think we are in a sideway. You can consider this as in a downtrend because you have a lower high and a lower low. But here, if the price doesn't, it goes up above this level, we're not anymore in a downtrend. So now we are looking at definitely a sideways. Now we have this push higher, and basically the price here went down, then went up, then went down, but failed to form another lower lows. So now it went up. Now, if the price doesn't breach this level and start doing something like this, it's considered an uptrend. Let's see. Now, the price went down here, then it has done something like this, then it formed like a double bottom here. Now, this is still considered an uptrend because it didn't go like literally, below that level, right? Okay, now again, it went up, then it went down. So this is an uptrend, okay? Do you get my point now? Now, it formed a new lower low because this level breached this level. So now we do expect something. I mean, we don't expect anything, but if it does something like this, we consider it like a downtrend. Let's see. It didn't. Actually, it broke this point. So now we have a beginning of an uptrend. Now we broke this level again. So basically, this could be a potential start of the downtrend. Of course, it's a lot of sideways, but when the market will trend, we will get a lot of opportunities there. As you may see here, it's forming new higher lows. So this is an uptrend. Okay, now this is quite interesting, right? We have the first leg here. Then you have this. We will see if the price will fail to break this level. Let's see. It didn't. Oh, wow. It didn't. So it is still an uptrend. Then you have this massive push here. Definitely not anymore in a downtrend because it broke this level, right? Now we have a natural retracement here. So we have downtrend, natural retracement. Again, down. Look at the potential. I mean, the power of this identifying higher highs and higher lows. Okay, here I have a yellow flag because it didn't went down and it retraced again, so it failed almost to do something like that. So we will see now probably if it goes. I mean, not probably, but we need to see if it goes down here. We're still in a downtrend, but if it bounces, we're not anymore in a downtrend. Okay, we are still in a downtrend in this case. We have some sort of retracement, and again another leg. So this is clearly a downtrend. It's a good one, actually. See here, basically it went down again, form a new lower low. Then it went up, and this is something that scares me because it went above this level, the recent swing low, swing high. So now it's going basically sideways. This is a no trend. This is like a accumulation phase, as we said before. It's still an accumulation phase because it's still contained. Now we have this could be considered an uptrend, and it's a mid-term uptrend. I would never, trade in a like this situation, like a sideways situation like this. Now it went down here, form a new lower low here. It went up above this level, so we have a red flag again. So now the price is moving sideways. Okay, now we had a spike here, a leg here, like a retracement. Hopefully, it'll go down this level. Okay, it's going sideways again, but now it's like going towards that level, and you'll see here you have this kind of movements. So this is definitely a downtrend. Now here it broke this level, so now we expect something like this or a sideways pattern. Okay, exactly. It has done something like this, like literally. Then we have this one. Now it failed to do a new higher low here, red flag. I think you get the point by now, right? So guys, I hope this was useful and it was a good tutorial to understand how to identify new higher highs and higher lows, but you need a lot of practice, okay? You go there and 30 minutes a day, just, try to understand, trend identification, which is very important. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next one, bye.